Straight away, we're gonna look at LUNC. We're gonna look at LUNC, yeah. Let's do it. OP looks good. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. That sounded very passive-aggressive. This is like my best spot play ever. Full disclosure, I bought fucking none of it. I bought a tiny bag. But still, I mean, it was a small bag to start. It was a medium-sized bag at the end. But yeah, definitely did well with entry and exit on this one. My first ever like 10x, whatever. It was my first ever like big spot play. I wasn't around when everything was doing 10x, so to catch that in like peak bear market was pretty good going. Sold pretty close to the top, sold on a 10x, and yeah, it's like retraced the whole thing now basically. But yeah, someone was saying they don't think it's going to break all-time high max short now. The RR doesn't favor that. The RR doesn't favor that. We could try. Okay, this is the short we'll try. Okay, we'll go for this liquidity here. It's 0.12 or trade. But you know, a win is a win. Profit is profit at the end of the day. Am I right, boys? Profit is profit. It's a swing trade, right? We'll give it lots of time to play out. You know what? Let's be greedy. Let's pull our invalidation down to here. It makes it a 0.13 or trade. It's even better. Squeezing a few ore out there. As long as it works 88% of the time. As long as my win rate is higher than 88%. Profitability, here we come. Elite profitability. Double screenio. This is liable just to break. Oh, trading view. Trading view. Okay. Apt USDT, I guess. Okay, and we'll look at this. Okay. Does anyone else see what I'm seeing here? Let me get my win Forex. Probably never. Actually, I feel like my affinity for Forex is even less now than it was like a couple of months ago. Even indices, man. I don't know. I prefer to degen it with the boys. Are we bullish apt here? No, I'm not. I'm just trying to tell you. I'm trying to meme this into existence. So on the right we have apt. We had the listing where it went all the way up to $100 on some exchanges, and then retraced. It retraced on that same candle to $7. Render, yeah, not much to say here. Quick update, we are still like just under 3x. I'm not closing it yet. This is, as I said, this is a long-term bag for me. Where are we? Yeah, so we're still up. Yeah, we're still 2.7x from buy-in. It's a long-term bag for me. I kind of half expect it just to retrace this whole move. Kind of do this, but I don't know. I'll probably just buy more. I have this weird notion that this thing will do very well the next bull run. Based on not a lot. We'll call that one gut instinct. This. Do you think what you're saying is applicable here to Blur? Let's say just as applicable as it was to apt. I mean, come on, that's the fucking things look identical. I mean, kind of looks okay here. I wish it would have taken that low. It's a bit memey. I don't know how much liquidity was under that. At least you've yeah, at least you've some decent highs to target here. Some meme line liquidity. Kind of looks like well, the hourly looks great. That's kind of the high you're looking at. No, you know what? That's probably more the high. Kinda not really. Like we're actually we're right around. Okay, so that's the it's the weekly. So we're still like inside. We're bang on point of control for the week. It is only Tuesday, to be fair. So you're only pulling data from like, you know, 39 hours. Yeah, interesting to note that we did bounce off VAL here and VAH here, and now we're chilling around POC. Just something to note. I wouldn't put too much stock into a weekly profile on like a Monday or Tuesday, just because there isn't a whole lot of data to go off. I think they become more relevant Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You know, it still is a metric of the volume that has been traded in the week so far. But yeah, I don't know. It just seems a bit arbitrary to me. Don't forget FOMC tomorrow. Yes, exactly. I certainly have it on my it's on my mind. Don't worry. Took some key highs here, arguably breaking structure on a few different time frames. I think this looks good. I think if you're scalping, you're probably looking to get something in here, to be honest. Target these highs. Like this is you know, SMC order flow, whatever you call it, order flow, low time frame structure. Looks good in my opinion. Just wary that we are you're kind of diddling in the middle if you long here. I don't know, maybe you wait for something a little bit deeper. Maybe you go for something like this. Joe, on BitJet, is there enough data to chart it on BitJet properly? Ah, yeah. Bro, what the fuck is this? What is this? Okay. I don't know, man. There's not a whole lot to chart here. Kind of looks like it might pull back here, but even then, if you're looking to get involved, H4 FVG there. No, it's a weird one. You know, kind of something like. That's your 2-or trade anyway. I don't know. Something like that maybe. Does TA even work on coins like this? Yeah, that's the thing. I mean, for sure I would pay attention to like liquidity imbalances, but like there's a lot of stuff that is just, yeah, it's just gonna be a meme. Still probably retraces. If that's just a BitJet listing or an upbit listing, I don't know, man. Did we just fucking fade this? I don't know. This looks so fucking shortable, to be honest. Maybe price fills that M1 FVG and goes down. That's a fucking hairy. That's a hairy type of play. Because you're very likely, even if it does pull back, it's very likely to do that. I don't know. I feel like this is a play I've faded a million times before. Let's see, let's set an alarm. M1 FEGs are a meme until they fucking play out. Yeah, we'll just leave that as an alarm. I would love to try something. If it goes too low though, the lows though. And yes, I'm aware that technically it's swept, but it's not a good sweep, not a valid sweep in my opinion. This kind of shit, man. I think I see this. Like, I see this kind of shit. If we get a pullback here, I'm gonna long this, and then that's where you long. It's just a low time frame range deviation play, fairly standard, but on the foot of like on the back of like a ton of bullish momentum. Usually you get another leg up, And like again, I'm pretty sure these are called something in pattern trading. That looks more like LTC. That looks like this. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like that runs the highs again. It didn't really take any liquidity. There's no buy side taken. And look at this. I don't know. I feel like it wouldn't take much to run those highs. I don't know why I used the curved line tool there. Unnecessary. This is just gonna pop here. That's really a market structure break to take into consideration for Magic? No, there's no structure break there. Even on M1, not really a structure break. It's not. It's not really that kind of play. It's just kind of like fade the meme. Which is why I'm probably not gonna just yurt into a fucking short here, because I think there's a good chance we run the high, and at least then I think that kind of gives us something. And this is very memey, so don't judge me too harshly. Then we kind of have a 3 drive, especially if we get something like this. If we actually get a structure break. And I'm not like terribly interested in shorting alts anyway. XRP is pumping and people are assuming that Torres is going to publish something, but they've been waiting for weeks. So Torres is due to issue her summary judgment anytime, but anytime. People have been saying that for minimum 2 weeks here. XRP is all about selling the news. Yeah, I agree. Say they were speaking in a couple of minutes. We have a level there, we have a level there. I definitely want to see, can we run something? Can we run something up here? So let's see, we got 2 more highs to run before I would feel exceptionally confident punting a short. Yeah, look at this, man. Strength on the BTC pair, strength on the USD pair. Let's get our. Oh wow! Oh man, I should have followed through with my plan, huh? Should have actually set some bids on OP. I would have preferred if we took that low. Would have preferred if we took this low. Because as it is, we kind of have equal lows. It's a weird one. But, I mean, we took liquidity for sure. We could just pop here. We have to just yurt a short on Magic. Before the stream's over, we can't just Oh, are you short already? Someone was looking to short around here, right? Okay. We have liftoff of Magic. I'm now interested in shorts. It's like the opposite of what you want to see if you're shorting. Yeah. The paper trade extraordinaire. Fucking XRP, man. This thing looks like it just crashes. We'll check back in a moment. I think they were shorting a bit higher up, like, was it around here? They'd probably be break even here, because I think they were looking to short a POC up here. Sorry, POI. An old web meme, yeah, says VA. Looks like BTC, looks like the longs aren't de-risking coming into FOMC, or maybe this is it. Maybe this is the exit pump. I don't know, man. I don't know. I don't know anymore. BTC is just fucking scary. Oh, the toilet paper has been hit. Why didn't we set bids for this? Can someone remind me? Did someone distract me? Be up like 2.2 ore on this fucking toilet paper long. We almost reclaimed the whole dump, or retraced the whole dump. Just the coin I want to short. Maybe we should fucking punt something here. Fucking run the highs, please. Latest Explorer's powers of observation are not to be trifled with. And when you say he's indirectly saying that, I think by indirectly you mean extremely directly, right? Let's just close. Let's just close out here if we get it. Take our 700 pesos. If we start bouncing here, I'm telling you guys, should have exited lower. Should have exited my short trade lower. Should have bought lower and sold higher, right? Go. 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 Watch it fucking bounce here. Boom. Alright. Happy with that. That's a nice trade, to be fair. I'll be very tilted if this goes much lower. Because I said to myself I was gonna hold it. But you know what? Coming up on a 4-hour stream now. It's always nice to TP something like that with the lads. And yeah, I tell you what. Tell you one of the reasons I'm not. Well, not only is there FOMC tomorrow, but we also didn't run the highs on BTC, and that is a little bit concerning to me. So we are going to take our money and run. Brings the challenge account back above 12k. And yeah, that's a decent one to catch. I'm having a lot of fun with these pump fades recently. I think they're something I'm getting better and better at. They don't always work out. But yeah, that was a lot of fun. Great stream. Honestly, I had a lot of fun. Nice to catch that top fade on Magic. We looked at a few alts as well. A little bit of chat about BTC.